Yo, what's up, dog?
Hi.
What's up?
Do you know where my dad is?
Nah, fam. He probably dead. He probably in the strip club.
Hello, Tyrone.
Yo, what's up, G?
What up? What up, foe?
Yo, what's up? Yo, what's doing? What's up? What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up? Pick my butt. Okay, I'm good. Tyrone, do you know where my daddy is? And Fuggler.
Nah, he probably in strip club. Fucker. He homeless. He probably eat out of the dumpster.
Butthole.
Bro, just go to Vegas. You'll probably find your dad. Just go look in the nearest dumpster. You'll probably find Fuggler.
Tyrone, you wanna come with me?
Nah, fam. I gotta go. I got to go. I got to go.
Cause you gotta go play the hood on Roblox.
Yeah, probably. I'm finna clap some noobs.
Okay, well.
Yo, bye.
Bye.
High five.
Wait, high five.
High five.
I'm going to Vegas. Got my mask on. I'm gonna go get my
Work
suitcase.
it. Hey,
Dad.
work it. Oh, hey, Kermit.
Why are you in Vegas? Why the heck is Fuggler here, like, drinking beer? Fuggler, wake up!
Work it. Yeah.
Dad.
Hey, Kermit. Hey, Kermit. Hi, Kermit.
Why are you in Vegas with a weird girl, not Sally the Salamander, your wife?
I don't know. Why don't you just go find your mother and then play some Fortnite?
Dad, stop trolling! I'm gonna steal your Robux!
Boy, you steal my Robux. You been in a dollhouse for 5 weeks.
Exactly. And Fuggler! Fuggler, what's you doing here? Fuggler passed out, bro.
I think I had one too many beers.
Fuggler, snap out of it. Now, we guys are both coming home to New Poopville. And you guys are going to be not alcoholics. And no more beer. No more marijuana. None of that stuff. And no more weird girls. Okay?
I love marijuana.
Bruh. How about you go ask Kanye West if you're allowed or not? Okay, well, I'm gonna go back. Give me this.
Yo, what about me? Kermit, you all pay for my plane ticket home, boo?
Why? No, just bring that hot girl. She'll get you past.
Alright, let me go get her real quick.
More money.
Yo, hi girl, you gonna work that ass tonight?
Okay, you wanna play some Fortnite on
Sure.
the Xbox? Fuggler, hand. And then we'll shake. Fuggler, I'm feeling good. Stop coughing. Fuggler, I need help right away. Call the doctor. I knew your weird diabetes would get me someday. Fuggler, call a doctor now. Before I die from cough. Please. Fuggler, stop now.
I got cough. Folks.
Okay.
My friend's got the coffee thing. Can you come over and try to diagnose him? Yo, Misha! We'll be on our way with table surgeons! We'll see you later!
Thank you. Okay, well, I guess we're gonna wait a couple minutes. Stop, you're gonna actually kill me. If you're gonna cough,
Yo,
don't
so
cough on me.
I heard somebody got the cough virus.
I do. And are you a doctor or police?
Better not tell you now. Turn around, I'm gonna take your temperature.
Okay. What are we doing? Oh no. Ah! Ew!
me taste it.
Stop.
Yo, someone got the coronavirus.
Okay.
Is that you?
Yes, I got coronavirus.
Alright, turn around. I'm gonna take your temperature.
Okay, this better not be like bend over. Oh shoot. Ah! Weirdo! Weirdo 2000 on the vlog!
I'm like, I got a sample. Let me taste it. He's a doctor. So what you mean? You got the coronavirus?
Yeah, I got coronavirus.
Okay, bend over. Let me take your temperature.
Okay. Ew! Grossy gross!
Okay, I got a sample. Let me taste it. Tastes pretty coronavirus to me. You got the coronavirus, and you just gotta quarantine at home. Don't touch anything, and we'll send a group of paramedics to do dangerous experiments. Kermit.
I got cough. You want a smooch? Ah!
What? Do you seriously have the cough?
Yes, I do. A guy came over and he took my temperature by sticking it up my butthole, and then he tasted it and he said my degree, like my degrees in Fahrenheit, it's like 169. So I don't think we're in the best position right now.
Hello, Jeffrey. Doctor. Sorry, I called you that. Just kind of stupid. All right.
My name is Kat.
Okay, sorry, Kermit. Okay, Kermit, go sit down and watch some TV.
I can't believe
I'll get you in with some anti-coronavirus medicine.
Can I watch Fred Camp Night of the Living Fred?
I honestly don't care. It's not like I work.
Okay. Can you turn it on for me?
Shut up. You can do it yourself.
I don't know how.
I honestly don't care.
Okay, Hey, Dad, what you got with the IP pin?
Okay, Kermit. Close your eyes. This won't hurt a bit.
Okay. No. What happened?
I gave you some anti-coronavirus medicine.
Okay. Why'd you stab me in my back of my eyeballs?
I will stab you again.
Hey. I have one question. Who is SpongeBob? Who is SpongeBob?
Hey, Kermit, come closer. Okay, now you feel better.
Wait, you want to know something?
Sure.
Who's Sponge?
Sponge who?
SpongeBob! Look at my butthole, kids!
I will inject you with lethal medicine in here.
What, like a drug?
Yeah, pretty much.
Drug addict? No, don't put that marijuana up in my tongue. Stop, chill. Okay, well, let's wait for the doctors to come, and I hope it's like the pet squid.
With anti-coronavirus medicine.
First of all, my dad already put that up the back of my eyeball, right here,
All right.
and up my butt.
Okay, I understand. I won't do it. Just to be safe,
I want ice cream.
close your eyes and come closer. I'll give you ice cream.
You promise?
Yeah.
Is it going to be from Great Aquarian Quokkas?
Yes.
Okay.
Come
Gimme. No. Oh! Why there, kid? Why?
Hold up. I'm going to go get something.
Why?
Don't ask. I'll be back in a moment.
Why? Please, no. Please, doctor. Whatever you're gonna do, doctor. Doctor, I don't feel so good. Doctor, I really don't. Doctor, I don't. I'm gonna die.
Oh yeah, by the way, that was a lethal injection. He's dead now.
No, not.
Finishing syringe!
No! You know what? It is payback for all you've done! Hey, no more stabbing that up my butthole. Okay, you asked for it.
I will stab you.